Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got a pretty serious situation. We're on a mission to rescue a little bird that's been completely infested with some nasty parasites. It's a race against time, and we need to act fast. Just look at this little guy, he's in a bad way. These parasites are just leeching onto him, and if we don't do something soon, he's not gonna make it. We got a call about this bird, and we knew we had to act fast. Let's take a look at how we're gonna help this little dude out. These parasites are no joke. They can transmit diseases and weaken the bird, making it vulnerable to other dangers. We need to remove them as quickly and safely as possible. The first step is to carefully remove all the parasites. We're using tweezers and cotton swabs to gently pluck them off one by one. It's a delicate process, but we're making sure not to hurt the bird in the process. Once the parasites are gone, we'll give him a good cleaning and apply some antiseptic to prevent infection. We'll also give him some fluids and a little bit of food to help him regain his strength. We're going to keep a close eye on him and make sure he's eating and drinking. Once he's strong enough, we'll release him back into the wild where he belongs. This little bird was lucky to be found. So many others aren't. If you see an animal in distress, please don't hesitate to call your local wildlife rescue. You could be saving a life. Thanks for watching, guys. If you care about animals as much as we do, hit that like button and subscribe for more rescue videos. Every little bit helps. See you in the next one. Hey folks, welcome to the farm. Today, we're going to give you a peek behind the scenes at what it takes to raise thousands of chickens. It's a lot of work, but we love it and we think you'll find it pretty interesting. Now, these aren't just any chickens. We take pride in raising healthy, happy birds. We give them plenty of space to roam around, fresh air, and a balanced diet. You know the saying, you're what you eat. Well, that applies to chickens too. We make sure they get all the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. We've got some pretty cool systems in place to help us care for so many birds. We have automatic feeders and waterers, so they always have access to food and fresh water. This not only saves us a ton of time, but it also helps us make sure every chicken gets exactly what it needs. We also have a dedicated team of folks who keep a close eye on the chickens. They check for any signs of illness and make sure everyone is doing well. We believe in treating our animals with respect, and we want them to have a good life here on the farm. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. What about the whole process? We understand that raising animals for food can be a sensitive topic. We want to be transparent about what we do here. We follow all the guidelines and regulations to ensure the humane treatment of our chickens. Ultimately, our goal is to provide high-quality, nutritious food for families. We know that not everyone agrees with raising animals for food, but we believe it's an important part of our society. We're committed to doing it responsibly and ethically. So, there you have it, a glimpse into our chicken farm. It's a busy place, but we're passionate about what we do. We appreciate you taking the time to learn more about our farm. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more farm videos. Thanks for watching.